The idea of passive income might sound a bit like a dream. Making money while you sleep? It's almost hard to believe. But it's very real, and many people are already doing it. So why not you? Of course, it usually takes either time, effort, or money to get started. But today, we're focusing on ideas that don't need you to spend any cash up front, just your time, effort, and a bit of creativity. Let's get into them. 7. Affiliate marketing. If you've never heard of it, affiliate marketing is simply earning a commission by promoting other people's products. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Once you're approved, you'll get a unique link for the product you want to promote, which can be anything from supplements to courses to cooking equipment. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. What's great about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to worry about creating products, handling inventory, or dealing with customer service. Your main job is to promote the products, which you can do through a blog, YouTube, social media, or even just sharing the link with friends and family. I'm going to talk more about starting a blog and YouTube in the later side hustles, which should be helpful for you to get an idea of how to promote your affiliate products. What's great about our list in this video is that you can combine many of the ideas that I'm talking about to boost the amount of money you make. What I love about affiliate marketing is that it's scalable. As you create more content and attract more traffic to your links, your earnings can grow massively. 6. Create an online course. Do you have a skill or knowledge that others would find valuable? Creating an online course could be a great way to earn passive income. Websites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable let you create courses on virtually any topic, from graphic design to cooking, to even how to use Excel. While creating a course does require some upfront work, like planning the content, recording the lessons, and possibly creating additional resources like PDFs or quizzes, the beauty is that once the course is live, it can keep selling without much extra effort from you. People are constantly looking to learn new things, and if your course offers real value, it could provide you with a steady stream of income for months or even years. A good example of this is Phil Ebener, who started creating courses on photography and video editing. He's a top-rated Udemy instructor, and he now earns over $1 million a year from his courses. His success story is a powerful reminder of how valuable online courses can be as a passive income stream. 5. Sell digital products. Online courses are one type of digital product, but there are others out there too that are great for making passive income. These could be anything from ebooks, printables, templates, or even software. The great thing about digital products is that you only need to create them once, and you can sell them repeatedly without any additional costs. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you could create printable planners, resumes, or even business card templates and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Or if you're a writer, you could write an ebook on a topic you're passionate about and sell it through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. One of the best parts about selling digital products is that there's no need to worry about inventory or shipping. And because the internet is a global marketplace, your potential audience is huge. 4. Start a blog. Blogging might sound like an old school method, but it's still one of the most effective ways to generate passive income. The idea is to create content that's valuable to a specific audience, and over time, attract visitors to your site. Once you have traffic, there are many ways to monetize your blog. One way is through ads. Programs like Google AdSense allow you to display ads on your blog, and you get paid every time someone clicks on them. Another method is affiliate marketing, which we talked about earlier. You can also create and sell your own products, like digital downloads or courses, directly through your blog. 3. Create a print-on-demand store. If you have a creative side but don't want to deal with inventory or shipping, print-on-demand could be a perfect option. Here's how it works. You create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and upload them to a print-on-demand platform like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. When someone buys one of your designs, the platform prints the item and ships it directly to the customer. You earn a profit without ever having to touch the product. The key to success in print-on-demand is finding a niche, something specific that people are passionate about. This could be anything from funny quotes to pet-related designs, or even something you're passionate about. The more unique and appealing your designs, the more likely they are to sell. And once your designs are up, they can keep selling for years, providing you with a steady stream of passive income. 2. License your photos. This is a great option if you're into photography. Every time someone downloads or purchases one of your photos, you earn a royalty. And you don't need to be a professional photographer to get started. Even high-quality smartphone photos can be good enough. You can upload your photos to stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. The key is to think about what kinds of images businesses, bloggers, and marketers are looking for. This could be anything from landscapes, cityscapes, and people, to everyday objects. The more photos you upload, the more chances you have of making a sale. 1. Start a faceless YouTube automation channel. This is a bit different from the traditional YouTube channel because you don't have to be on camera. Instead, you create videos using stock footage, animations, or even screen recordings, depending on the niche you choose. Here's how it works. You pick a niche that you're interested in, or that's trending, like tech reviews, top 10 lists, or business documentaries. Then you gather the content for your video, which could be images, video clips, or text, and put it together using a simple video editor. You don't need any fancy software. Free tools like CapCut are more than enough to get started. Once your videos are ready, you upload them to YouTube, optimize them with the right titles, descriptions, and tags, and start building your channel. You can monetize your videos through the YouTube Partner Program, where you earn money from ads that play on your videos. You can also use affiliate marketing within your videos, or in the video descriptions, to generate additional income. The beauty of this method is that once your videos are live, they can continue to generate views and income for years to come. Plus, because the channel is faceless, you can easily outsource the content creation process to others once you start earning, turning it into a fully automated passive income stream. Here's an example of a great faceless YouTube channel with over 1.5 million subscribers that focuses on business documentaries. Faceless YouTube channels are becoming increasingly popular, with some creators making thousands of dollars a month. While it does require consistent effort to grow your channel, the potential rewards are massive, especially once your videos start gaining traction. So there you have it, 7 passive income ideas with zero investment to get started. Remember, while these methods don't require money up front, they do require your time, effort, and a willingness to learn. But the payoff can be huge, giving you the freedom to live life on your own terms. Which of these ideas have you tried, or are you interested in trying? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more ways to make money online and reach financial freedom. Most importantly, take action. None of this works if you don't take that first step. So pick one of these ideas and get started today.